Even database usually part of कैसे चले? एक काम करें, आज पूरा स्ट्रेट पूरा एंड तक चलें,
फिर वहाँ से शुरू करते हैं।
वहाँ से शुरू करते हैं। So today we are going to show you the innovations of India, which we are very proud about. So if you've seen the streets of India, this is something that you have to see as well, because this is also India, right? So let's go. Oh, there's a pigeon. Hello. इसको देख ले, कह रहे मैं भी तो देखूं इंडिया में क्या क्या चल रहा है।
पहले तो मैं ही सारे काम करता था।
हाँ,
I want to see how I have been
रिप्लेस्ड। यार आई थिंक ऐसे हैं सामी,
वैसे
ये सेक्शन में नहीं है, ऐसे हैं, समझ नहीं आता। अब ऐसे तो हम आ गए, अब ऐसे ऐसे चलते हैं फिर। ओके,
बैक साइड में तो नहीं है कुछ।
बैक साइड में भी है, फिर ऐसे ऐसे चलते हैं। मेरे पास है। So, organic industry. What is that? अब यहीं से बैकवर्ड जाते रहें, क्या करना है? So there are so many lanes that
पहले ये ऐसे ऐसे करते
हाँ, पहले ऐसे ऐसे कर लेते हैं। अगर तुझे पीछे चलते वक्त अपना ये करना है,
हैं।
बांटना है,
नहीं, मैं देख रही हूँ।
चल ठीक है। स्कैनिंग। So there are still a lot of people and a lot of countries. No. Hello. So what is this? India's best laundry. Okay.
We're building India's best laundry services platform. We connect laundry vendors with customers, and we take care of supply chain and logistics. So if you place an order through us, we do pickups and deliveries for you. And
All
we
right.
help you provide accountability, affordability, and convenience.
Cool.
Partner with the already available vendors in the market.
And which cities are you already operating
We're
in?
in Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar, and Silvassa. We're also expanding to Surat, Baroda, and Rajkot.
Alright.
That's a 6-month plan. Now we're going to either Bombay or Delhi. Then you guys will tell me whether Delhi is the best market for us or Bombay is the best market for us.
That's a very good question. Delhi definitely
Delhi
is,
definitely
but
is.
we cannot really compare it with Mumbai.
You guys are based out of Delhi, right?
Yes.
Right.
So we know that, that is a big need in the market.
Absolutely.
So this would be helpful.
And very interesting, like the pickups and drops.
Because that is one of the major issues.
What I guys do, what is this about?
So we are podcast and video producers, and yeah, that's what we are doing.
We have a channel on YouTube, Instagram, where is it?
It's called Shruti Outdoor Podcast.
Take my card. connect India here in Delhi for next 2 days. See what we can do together.
That's us.
Thank you so much, Shruti. Who's Shruti? You're Shruti?
This is
You are?
I'm Shivani. Hi.
Thank you so much, guys. All the best to
Okay.
you.
Thank you. So there's so much that if I show you one side, the other side would be missed. AI sales agent.
लगभग दूसरे दिन तक तो आ ही जाना चाहिए.
Yeah, so I was saying, you know how some countries try to, show a bad image of India, that we are still the snake charmers and something like that, or the particular type of media that would only belittle India and be like no India में growth नहीं है, ऐसा है, India में ये है, India में वो है. तो इंडिया में अगर वो सब है तो ये भी एक बहुत ही बड़े स्केल पर चल रहा है, और जितना आप वो देखना चाहते हैं उतना ही मैं आपको ये भी दिखाना चाहती हूँ कि ये भी हमारा देश, सुपर टैलेंटेड देश, ये भी कर रहा है.
पिज़्ज़ा खिलाएगा.
Donkey milk.
Depends on the range, and the 20 kg machine costs around 24.
Hemp.
50.
Robotic. So this was really interesting. So this is a digital labor chalk, which would basically connect the labors through this app. Wait, Shruti